Today our first exercise is measure the intensity of solar irradiance. How to measure? We have to use the solar irradiance meter. What is the other name of this meter? Solar power meter, otherwise portable pyrometers. So this is one instruments along with sensor. This is a sensor. Okay, in the instruments there are three button is there. One is power on, then watts or BDU and a reset button. Here also three button is there. One is a hold button, another one is a maximum minimum value button, then light button for getting the light in the display. How to measure the solar irradiance? First we have to remove the cover from the sensor. It is a photo sensor. Then we have to switch on the instruments. Then there is a power instrument, we have to switch on the instruments. Now you have to check which unit is coming. Now you see it is a BTU. Now you have to change into watts, watts per meter squares. Just to keep the sensor perpendicular to the sunlight, what are the reading is coming, you note down. Also note down the latitude of these locations. So after that, this is an open rooftop, then you have to measure the solar irradiance on the different locations. Where you are getting more irradiation, that is a good place for install the solar panel.